back to my channel, and thank you so much for tuning in for today's tutorial. If you're an old subscriber, thank you so much for coming back, and if you are new to my channel, thank you also for tuning in. Please make sure to click on the subscribe button and also put on the notification bell so you don't miss an upload from me. Today's tutorial was inspired by Yemi Alade and Angelique Shekere music video. And if you don't know who Yemi Alade is a very pretty, popular Nigerian musician. So guys, she wore this kind of hairstyle in one of the scenes in the video. So I was like, wow, this looks pretty good. It looks nice, looks funky. So I said I'm gonna make a tutorial on the hairstyle, and here we have it, guys. I also want to thank you all for subscribing to my channel. I can't believe I'm at 200 subscribers. Thank you so much. I really don't talk that much in my intros, but this time around I'm like, I have to thank my subscribers, my supporters. Thank you so much. I know I do say it in all of my videos that people should subscribe, but nobody has been forced to actually subscribe. So I really want to thank you guys for taking out time to subscribe to my channel. You guys are the real G. I won't be including any voice over in this hair tutorial because this hair is so easy and simple to achieve, and I think I did something like this last week. So if you want a more in-depth tutorial on this kind of hairstyle, I'll put a link down below. So you just click on the link down below and it will take you there directly. There you can watch an in-depth video of how to achieve something like this. It's just the same process, just a little bit different. I think I had my hair out in the other video, and this one I don't have any hair out. I don't want to wear my hair out. If you guys want to see how I achieved this hairstyle, just keep on watching.
22, I'm saving my money, oh, can't relate to what I've been through, so baby I'm glad I found you. Make me smile, you like good food, you're from that place, you're from my place. Can't relate to where I'm going, I can take it anywhere, I can take it anywhere. So call me back, they know you and me now. About to throw one. Know you like my family. They know you better be at this party. They know my family. Come on, I can take it anywhere. So come by. They know you and me. Baby, won't you come? Can't relate to what I've been through. So baby, I'm glad I found you. Make me smile. You like good food. You're from that place. You're from my place. Can't relate to where I'm going, but I can take it anywhere, you know it. Oh, you make me laugh, you like good food, you're from that place, you're from my place. I'm not the type's gotta have someone, I'm not the type's gotta be in love. I had a lot of people come and go, and plus anyway, I'm used to being solo. But it was good when you came to me. You were the one to make me believe that life could be better, that we can get by together. Come sit down, let's celebrate this love we found, cause we know this is real. I'm about to let you know, I gotta let you know that.
So guys, this is how the hair is looking. It doesn't have any shape right now, so I'll go ahead to start cutting it to give it some shape.
Can't relate to where I'm going, but I can take it anywhere, you know it. Oh, you make me laugh, you like good food, you're from that place, you're from my place. Get your clothes and let's take a drive. True love's coming back in style. We'll be riding to my song, pretty. There ain't nothing going wrong, really. So good when you came my way. You came and laughing almost every day. Life can't be better as long as we stay together. Come
naughty, baby, oh. Oh Lord have His mercy. Hey, I say, I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You want murder me, eh, 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 eh. You want murder me, eh, 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 eh. You want murder, 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 murder me. You want murder, 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 murder me. She says she want murder. I'm the guy you never heard of. So back it up and put it on a border. Baby girl, I know you want murder. Your face, your eyes, looking very nice. The way you whine, I want you to be mine. So make you turn it up and put it on me. Girl, make you follow me and be my own.